What's the word, everybody? So this is another video about the Love Me clip-in extensions. So in this video today, I'm going to be testing out if you can crimp the hair and everything. I will be doing separate videos on updos, but my honest review about this hair, I really like the hair. I used 2 packs in my head. It made it look very full. I feel like if you have a lot of hair and very thick hair, then you need to have 2 packs. And if you have thinner hair, then you should really use 1 or 2, just depending on how it is. But if you have thick hair, you need 2 packs. Like, you need 2 packs. And as you can see on my right side, I could have used some more because my hair is still, like, you can see my hair, but it's okay. As far as the hair, it was very soft. It's probably some of the best, softest hair I've ever had, really. And it's very seamless and flat. You can do whatever you want with it. It looks it gives very much scalp. So at this point, I'm just crimping the hair, and it's going really well. I'm just seeing how it's gonna crimp, and as you can see, it's crimping very nicely. And then this is where it's gonna speed up because I didn't want the video to be too long. I just wanted y'all to see how the hair works. But I would say it's amazing. As you can see me brushing it out, it's very full, silky. It gives, look at it. It gives body. That's what it gives. It's amazing. Look at it. Just look at the hair. If you would like to purchase this hair, go ahead and click that orange card below. It's very affordable hair, and you will be able to keep it for a very long time. This is my second install. So, yeah. Go shop ASAP.